Che te mi fanno di calzare?
No me dejó hacer morder.
Ya viene amaneciendo, ya la luz del día nos dio.
Yo, bueno, agradecerle a todos. Thank you por estar aquí. Muchas gracias. Es muy importante para mí porque yo nunca he recibido algo así. Se siente bien bonito y...
Solo
My bad. It's 'cause this is keep moving.
No, ahorita no tiene gas todavía.
It has gas. Ma.
Ahorita tiene gas todavía, se va a pescar a gas. Aiden, come one more back, please.
Hey, we're going to pay
Maybe I'll get in your face.
Sorry, you pay Buster? Lalo? Lalo? What? Buster? No. Let me cook this shit.
También, ¿verdad?
Que le ganaron ahí en
Ya. Rápido, 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 rápido.
It was me. He said it.
la familia de los capos.
No, but he said,
Well, I
was
haven't
the first
said
one to say
it.
though.
All right, go.
Bacon.
All right, bacon, get it.
I started when, bitch?
I'm already doing it. All right.
I'm going to burn.
Ya, sir, go ready again. Ahorita que grite. Right now, right now, right now, right now. ¡Dani! No, que lo estaba grabando.